Do you know many people are having trouble with using the Philips Airfryer correctly? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Secure removable parts. Ensure all removable parts of the air fryer are securely fixed before carrying or storing it. Step 2. Avoid oil or liquid. Do not fill the pan with oil or any liquid. Always use handles or knobs to handle the hot pan. Step 3. Remove the pan. Pull the handle to remove the pan from the appliance. Step 4. Place frying insert. Place the frying insert into the pan. Step 5. Add ingredients. Add your ingredients to the pan according to the recommended quantities and cooking times from the food table. Step 6. Reinsert and avoid touch. Insert the pan back into the air fryer and avoid touching it during and after use as it can get very hot. By following these steps, you should be able to use your Philips Airfryer NA231 safely and effectively. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.